Hey everyone, this is Ronnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can reset your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my WordPress dashboard. After logging your WordPress dashboard, just go to add new plugin. After that you have to type here the WP reset and press enter. After that, here you can see WP reset, the most advanced WordPress reset tool. Here we can see this is the one of the best reset tool. I already installed it, that's why it said active. I already active it. Just go after active, you just show here the install now. After install and active this plugin, you have go to tools and WP reset. After go to reset here, just scroll down and type here reset. After type reset, just press the reset size, and here you can see are you sure you want to reset this site. You just press here to reset WordPress. After click here, just wait some time, it will automatically reset. Here you can see I have not anything of my website. This is a default website fully. I think it's done. If you new on my channel, please subscribe my channel.